If you're experiencing a login failure on Roblox with error code 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired connection or restarting your router. Step 2. Clear browser cache. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing the login issue. Step 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily. Sometimes these services can interfere with Roblox's connection to its servers. Step 4. Update Roblox. Make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Roblox website and install any available updates. Step 5. Restart your device. If the issue persists, restart your device. This can help refresh the system and resolve any temporary glitches that may be affecting your login. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the login failure issue on Roblox. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.